Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, overcoming introvert challenges. If you're an introvert like me, social situations can sometimes feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I've got some practical tips to help you thrive and feel more confident. Let's get started. First, let's understand what it means to be an introvert. Introverts often feel more comfortable in quieter, less stimulating environments. We recharge by spending time alone or with close friends rather than in large social gatherings. Tip number 1, prepare ahead of time. Before heading into a social situation, whether it's a party or a meeting, take a few moments to plan. Think about what you might talk about, and even practice some conversation starters. Having a plan can help you feel more at ease. Tip number 2, set realistic goals. Instead of aiming to become the life of the party, set smaller, achievable goals. For example, aim to talk to 3 new people or stay for a certain amount of time. Celebrate these small victories, they add up. Tip number 3, take breaks. It's okay to step away for a few minutes to recharge. Find a quiet spot, take deep breaths, and give yourself a moment to reset. You'll come back feeling more grounded and ready to engage again. Tip number 4, use your listening skills. Introverts are often great listeners. Focus on asking questions and showing genuine interest in others. This takes the pressure off you to talk and makes the other person feel valued. Tip number 5, find like-minded people. Connect with those who share your interests and values. It's easier to open up and feel comfortable when you're with people who understand and appreciate you. Tip number 6, practice self-care. After socializing, take time for yourself to recharge. Whether it's reading a book, meditating, or enjoying a hobby, do something that helps you relax and regain your energy. Remember, being an introvert is a strength, not a limitation. By preparing, setting goals, taking breaks, listening, finding your people, and practicing self-care, you can overcome introvert challenges and thrive in social situations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights. See you next time.